In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monocle or a third-party search tool to find the perfect assets you need, integrate them seamlessly, and finally customize them to suit your unique requirements. Let's dive right in and explore how you can enhance your projects using these powerful tools. First, let's start with the search process. The key to efficiently finding the right assets, whether they're images, videos, or data sets, lies in using a reliable search tool like Monocle. If you prefer, you might opt for other third-party search tools that offer similar functionality. These platforms are designed to simplify the process by helping you locate exactly what you need without the hassle of digging through piles of irrelevant data. To get the most out of your search, be sure to define specific keywords that best describe what you're looking for. Utilize any filters or categories provided by the tool to narrow down your search results, ensuring that you find highly relevant assets quickly and efficiently. Remember, the better you tailor your search terms, the more precise your results will be, making this initial process a crucial step in your workflow. With the right asset in hand, it's time to move on to integration. The process of integration might differ slightly depending on the platform or the type of asset you're working with, but rest assured, most modern tools are designed to offer a user-friendly experience. Generally, you'll want to locate the download or integration option within your chosen search platform. Whether you're importing directly into your project or downloading for later use, make sure you follow any on-screen instructions to ensure a smooth transition. If you're using software that supports plugins or API integrations, this stage is where you can seamlessly blend your new asset into your existing environment. Pay attention to compatibility and format requirements to avoid any hiccups. A smooth integration will save you a lot of time and frustration down the line, so it's definitely worth the effort to get this part right. Finally, we move on to customization, which is perhaps the most exciting part. Customization essentially allows you to take a generic asset and mold it into something truly unique that perfectly fits your project's vision. Depending on the asset, this might involve adjusting visual elements, tweaking code, or even altering the data structure to better align with your needs. If you're working with visual assets, use editing software to adjust colors, sizes, or any other visual parameters as required. For code or data, look into your project's documentation for ways to adapt the asset to meet specific functional criteria. Don't be afraid to experiment here. Customization is all about making an asset your own. And there you have it. By using Monocle or a third-party search tool, integrating seamlessly, and applying thoughtful customization, you're well on your way to creating standout projects. Happy creating!